Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? I'm CJ over here at Limitless Lithium. Don't forget to subscribe to YBASS's YouTube channel. Leave a comment down below what you thought. Hit the notification bell so you know every time YBASS posts a new video. Also, check out YBASS at ybassworld.com for top names in the audio industry.
Play a little piece of 2 different songs.
Yes, sir.
You know when you're ready.
I'm ready. That mean green, baby. Hey, that's a mean C-pillar right there.
It does all right?
Yes, sir. Tell everybody who you are and what you got.
My name's Tom Allen. This is a 2015 GMC Yukon XL. I've got 4 custom-built 21s in the back. They're running on level 6 DC motors. Running on 2 20K Pitbulls by DC. The mids and highs are ran off of 175.4s and a 90.4 DCs.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And this, what is the theme to this build? What is it?
Just make her shake her ass. That's why we call her the Rump Shaker.
Woo! She rump shaking in here. I knew it. So yeah, appreciate the demo. Thank you very much.
Absolutely, bro. I appreciate you stopping by.
Yes, sir.
Hey yo, Brody.
Look, she like the way I drip drop, fishes in a pit stop. Hands all clean, at your door, let you know. Till I chop a pit block, pulling in a zip lock, sticky in the middle, watch your door, let it show. In the city, I'm the sis God known for the big rock. And I'm with the missile, watch your door, let you know. Little nigga been hot, baby, drop a pin, drop. Shouldn't run the key if you can't take a smoke. Set focus on a shot, no need for a scope. Damn, heaters on the block, no need for a coat. Right off the jet, laying out in the boat. Yeah, I think I'm in an A, but I'm on up on the coast. With a bad little hip, on it, let her give me throw. Throw a couple hundred, so I steady give her hope. Started with a prayer, but we ended with a toast. Only seeing dead faces when I'm rounding that ghost. I guess the bone, but no these stars. These LLCs working, we duck on these laws. Double the